Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So you know what season it is? It's midterm season, and you know what I'm not doing? Studying. So what I'm gonna do instead is focus on Halloween season and show you guys 5 super cool Halloween costume ideas, because I know some of you are just like you know, there's this really cute boy in my class and we're going to a Halloween party together, but I don't know what to wear. Like, how do I impress him with my super cute like Halloween outfit? Don't worry, I got you. And before we get started, please remember to hit subscribe and like it and comment on it. Alright, let's get started. So this look is a boxer. You really want your boy to know that you can fight and protect him in any fucking situation. Yeah, you want to let him know that you can take care of yourself and you don't need his help. So this is a great look to really intimidate him, because intimidating boys is like proven to be the #1 way to get them to like you. So this look is a boxer. I put this look together using a sports bra, my old gym shorts from high school, and my bathrobe. It's really easy to recreate. So let's go to the next look. Alright, so a lot of people got this like schoolgirl fetish. And what better idea than to wear your old uniform? But like, you don't want to wear it like, you know, a lot of girls from my high school, they like hem the skirt so it's like sexy or whatever. No. You gonna wear that shit exactly how it was meant to be worn. You're gonna come in like fucking hair in that sock bun, you looking dead inside, like, and you looking like you're fucking 15, which isn't cute. Also, it's important to make sure your skirt is down to the knee. Otherwise, the nuns from your high school are gonna personally seek you out and fucking murder you on the spot. It don't matter if you went to school in New York and you live in fucking Nebraska now, they will find you. So anyway, this is a super cute look. He'll definitely be interested. Like, who let this high schooler into the party? Are we allowed to let her drink? Like, what's going on? So you really want to you want to make sure he's got a lot of questions about you, so he keeps thinking about you. You know what I'm saying? So that has been the schoolgirl look. Look number 3, we got the Matrix / Terminator look. So this look is super versatile. So you want to go to your mom and be like, hey mom, do you got like a really long leather coat? Because if she does, you can pull this look off. That's what I did. Oh, you're gonna need a very long leather coat. Maybe you could thrift it. I don't know what you've got in your closet. You're also gonna want a black turtleneck or or you could use a black tank top, something like that. And then you're gonna need black pants and black ankle boots. The rest of the outfit is very easy, but what you're trying to say with this look is that you're really into like 90s like sci-fi action movies, which is just guaranteed to make him fall for you instantly. I don't know what kind of person he is, but hopefully he's cool with that. Also, like, if you're trying to be like that lady from the Matrix, like, he's gonna like know that you're really into like female empowerment, which is like lit. Alright, so another idea is that you can be your favorite YouTuber. My favorite YouTuber is Jenna Marbles, so of course I want to go for her iconic look, which includes the hell yeah eyebrows, which means, you know, removing your eyebrows and then writing hell yeah where they used to be. So for this look, for the outfit part, you just want to get leggings, flip-flops, and like a baggy black t-shirt or hoodie. Hell yeah. And then I think what really seals the look is the hell yeah eyebrows. Oh hell yeah. For the final look, you should dress as your celebrity look-alike. For me, the only celebrity I've ever been told I look like is Hillary Rodham Clinton. So for this look, I just wore my intern clothes, which consists of a light blue blazer, which I feel like is very characteristic of Miss Clinton. I guess she's Mrs. Clinton. Anyway, I got navy blue pants from Uniqlo. and this really nice white ruffly blouse from Zara. And you know, you just want to pair it with a little kitty heel and you're Gucci. You know, you should say things like, I love my grandchildren, and other things like that. I'm just chilling in Cedar Rapids. So with this look, I was really inspired by this guy, this homeless guy in a McDonald's that told me that I looked like Chelsea Clinton. I was also really inspired by my ex's best friend who told him I look like Hillary Clinton from the 90s. You know, just like really self-esteem molding things. So I was like, you know what would be like, this is a great look, you know, like this sort of exudes political power, like, you know, Benghazi. I did that, you know what I mean? Like, and your man, like, that you went to this party trying to impress, he'll be so fucking impressed. He's gonna be like, what are you? And you're gonna be like, I'm Hillary fucking Clinton. That's who I am. So, you know, he'll know, you know? Alright guys, if you made it to the end of this video, thanks. And if you liked it, remember to like the video and subscribe. If you want to see more content like this, leave a comment below. And thanks for watching. I hope this was a really informative video. Yeah, so I'll see you guys hopefully next Wednesday, if this video went up on a Wednesday. I'll see y'all next week. Bye!